Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to episode 3 of Bike and Bird Motovlog. As usual, we'll start off our day by visiting the lovely post office in Helotes, drop off the orders, and after that, I need to go to my favorite auto store, PepBoys, and pick up a few things I need for the truck to prepare it for the trip out to West Texas. I'm gonna go ahead and do this just because I know my girlfriend hates it. I know she watches them, so but first I need something to wake me up before I go.
Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. She was so nice. It's actually pretty good. There was a roofer in there. This is 10:40 in the morning and he was already buying a big old tall boy. That just sounds like a liability. I really hate when you're riding and a really depressing slow song comes on and you can't change it. Did you see that episode of Shark Tank where they were selling those gloves that they were hooked up Bluetooth and like you could, like each finger had a button on the side of it, so you could actually I think it had 2 buttons on it because you could do like volume up, volume down, next track, previous track, and then I think pause and play or something like that. They were pretty cool. I should probably look into those. They might be on the market now. Or I guess I could just stop being a broke ass and just buy a Set Up. But I don't have friends, so I really don't have a use for a Set Up besides the music capabilities, and my $10 headphones do that quite well. Besides, you know, not being able to change songs and stuff like I just mentioned. Could be a dick and just whipped in between them. He's really waiting for that one spot. Oh, nope, changed your mind. Okay, cool. I guess I'll take it then. Just need to drop this off. No receipt.
No receipt?
No, sir.
All right,
Thank you. Cue the oh yeah. That only took forever. Usually if they have one that's not being taken up, they usually just let me go and drop it off. Alvaro, my favorite worker there, was getting his stuff set up. So I had to wait a little bit, which is fine. Not in any hurry. Should I go that way? Oh God, it's a Mustang, everybody run! Ow! So I have another girlfriend, God damn it. So I have another funny girlfriend story for those of you who enjoy those. So yesterday I get a text message while I'm at work. Biker wave, not even looking. I get a text message while I'm at work from her saying, hey, I hurt myself. And I'm just thinking, oh God, what did you do this time? Because she is, oh, how can I say this nicely? Accident prone, I guess would be a good way to say it. Accident prone. I'm just thinking of the endless possibilities that could have happened. And she let me know that she cut herself with an X-Acto knife. Not like suicide emo cut yourself, but like dropped a knife and it stabbed in your leg type of cut yourself. So I think it's really bad. So I ask her, are you okay? And she goes, yeah, it just really hurt. And she sends me a picture. And this is the picture that she sends me. That was what she said she hurt herself with. I was just like, are you kidding me? She goes,
it really hurts. I'm in bed and I've got it wrapped up and it just won't stop bleeding.
Let me also let you know that my girlfriend over exaggerates every injury. I mean, every injury. So I really, I mean, for other reasons than just this, I really hope that she never has to deal with a real injury, you know, like a broken bone or, you know, a torn muscle or something of that sort, because after seeing how she reacted to just these couple small injuries that I've seen her get, she'd probably just fucking die. She'd probably just have a heart attack and die. Example, we're moving into our new house. Our driveway has a cactus right along the side of it. As she was getting a box out of her car during the move, she runs into the cactus. Oh my God, you would have thought that her skin had been ripped from her body. She started screaming and yelling and literally crying. I mean, tears down the cheek, crying over some little cactus in her arm. And she started yelling at me because she was pissed off at me because a couple days before that I had done a little bit of landscaping in the front and I didn't get around to trimming that cactus back, because granted the cactus was too far over the driveway, it was a little bit overgrown, and I did plan on cutting it back, I just didn't get around to it. But she was so mad at me, she goes,
I want that cactus gone! I want it gone! I want it out of here!
Okay babe, I'll trim it back. I'll get out of your way. She responds with,
No, I want it gone. I want it completely gone.
Okay babe, I will trim it back. What I found funny about that is she acted like she didn't run into the cactus, but rather the cactus hurt her on purpose. Kind of the gunshot the people, not the guy mentality. So now every time I see a cactus, I tell her, watch out, he's gonna get you. And she freaking hates that so much. Oh my God. Alright, I'm just gonna stay here till, you know, I'll go ahead and get some distance so I can actually go. Thank you. What I'm actually headed to PepBoys to pick up right now is a couple things. I need to get one of those free spray Freon thingies with the AC and make it cold again. My AC's been acting up a little bit, and it's a 5-year-old truck, so I'm assuming it just needs a Freon recharge. And then I'm also going to pick up license plate light. But I am so excited for this trip. I haven't been to my hometown in about 2 or 3 years, which there's really no excuse for it because there's really only like a 4-hour drive, if that. So, I mean, I don't know if you Yankees up north would call it a long drive because you'd probably cross about 6 states in that time, but 4 hours isn't even halfway across the state for us Texans. But yeah, I'm super excited because I haven't been home in so long, and my best friend bought a little Ninja 300 that he wants to go ride, and it's just gorgeous landscape out there. I get to ride with my uncle, I get to ride with my dad, both are Harley guys, so this is gonna be a good old time. The ricer aisle. Oh man. Damn it. I guess I need to be like cool motovloggers and get my own made. Just kidding, it's actually kind of cool. That was really hard to do because I've got Volbeat in my head and then that was playing outside. Where is the AC squirty stuff? I might actually have to talk to someone. Oh, there it is. Oh my God, 50 bucks? I just need one of these AC recharge things. Oh man, my headphone came out. Oh God.
A day, young elder, do biz major. Fuck you know about the world he raised up. I've been saving money since the motherfucker 13. I wear the same pair of jeans
every day. Thanks, Greg. Gonna blow that baby in the bank, you know I just blow that baby. I can make the baby burn. I can make that beat. I can make it burp like a baby without the heavy. Yeah, or take another chick, then I don't even care, and that applies to both dating and wings. Alright guys, well that's it for today's episode. Thank you again for watching. Please, please, please like, comment, and of course subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put a screenshot of my Instagram name right here. That is my most active social media page. Go follow me. I post some cool shit. And I will see you guys next time. Don't double jaw me for that. Don't double jaw me. Be like, whoa, don't double jaw me for that. Don't do it to yourself, cause I might just ask what the ice cube's worth. What the ice cube's worth, that's the only differentiator making this a non-free perk.